Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Walmart gift card from the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove the currently attached Walmart gift card from the Walmart app that you're on. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app. Next, you want to go ahead and click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on the gear icon on the upper right-hand corner. Then click on Wallet, and then scroll down, and you're going to be able to see gift cards. So here we have gift cards. Click on Edit, and then click on Remove Card. Afterwards, it's going to confirm if you want to go ahead and remove this card, so go ahead and remove it, and there you have it. You've now gone ahead and removed the gift card that was added to your Walmart account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove your gift card from a Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.